Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening the Apple Music app and confirming you're signed in. Once done, make sure iCloud Music Library is enabled so plays sync across devices. This helps retrieve history. On iPhone or iPad, tap For You or Listen Now. On Mac, open the Music app. If the app is not updated, update it now because older versions hide some history features. You're setting the stage. Signed in, synced, and on the right screen, so the next steps reveal your recent activity. Next, go directly to Listen Now or For You where Apple Music surfaces recently played. You'll see cards or lists that show songs, albums, and stations. On Mac, choose View then Recently Played, or open Library and select Recently Played for a fuller list. If you want a particular track, use the search field and type song or artist, then check recent plays in that item's page. Make sure to scroll. Apple groups items by album or date, so scanning reveals patterns and repeated plays. Finally, access your full playback history. On iPhone, tap your profile icon, then Playback History to see a chronological list. On Mac, you'll find more detail in the Music app's history or by checking device-specific caches when synced. Once you've reviewed history, you can clear specific items or the full list in Settings if desired. If history doesn't appear, try signing out and back in, update the app, or re-enable iCloud Music Library. These fixes resolve most sync.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.